What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott, liveboxbreaks.com, coming in halftime, 9:45 Eastern, 8:45 Central here in Wisconsin. One box of contenders for you tonight. But first, two bad break drawings for last night's breaks, giving away two $10 promo codes. Here are the entries for the first drawing. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the first winner is going to be Dean. And for the second drawing, there are the entries. We'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second winner is going to be Alex. And now for tonight's break, 32 spots, 1 team per spot. And we'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results, paste them against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for tonight. And here's the box for tonight. 24 packs, 5 cards per pack with 5 autos per box. And here we go. Stephen Hill, Peyton Manning. First hit going to the Seahawks, B.J. Daniels. Seahawks going to Jacob. Congratulations, Brandon Marshall and Cam Newton. Jacoby Ford, Eddie Royal. Jordan Reed, Vincent Jackson, RG3. And the promotion there running. Russell Wilson, Michael Vick. Second hit going to the Buccaneers, Mike James, rookie auto. Bucks going to Jacob. Tony Romo, Andre Johnson. Colin Kaepernick, Brandon Whedon. Joe Flacco, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Danny Amendola. Jared Cook, Jamal Charles. Rookie auto, gold parallel for the Vikings, Sharif Floyd. 62 out of 99. Vikings going to John C.A. I have 2 John C's. And this one is a short print variation. No stars around the team logo. Congratulations, John. Richard Mendenhall and Marcus Colston. Big Ben, Julio Jones, John Elway, Ryan Tannehill, Chris Johnson. Greg Jennings, Chris Ivory, DeAndre Hopkins, Eli Manning, Matt Forte. Demarius Thomas, Darren McFadden, Giovanni Bernard, Steve Smith, Doug Martin, Ryan Matthews, Sidney Rice, and a redemption, rookie ticket RPS variation, going to Rams receiver Stedman Bailey. Rams going to Alex. Congratulations. Pierre Garcon and Des Bryant. Deshaun Jackson, Anquan Bolden, Bernard Robinson, Stephen Taylor, Arian Foster, Chad Haney. Reggie Bush, Mark Ingram, for the Packers, Eddie Lacy on card, rookie auto. Very nice. Packers going to James N. Congratulations, James. Joe Flacco and Andrew Luck. Mike Wallace, Christian Ponder, Matt Ryan, Tony Gonzalez, Antonio Brown, Steven Jackson. Matt Ryan, Navarro Bowman, Jordy Nelson, Matt Shaw, Victor Cruz. Trent Richardson, Dory Smith, Eli Manning, Victor Cruz, Andy Dalton, Jonathan Stewart. Adrian Peterson, Matthew Stafford, Wes Welker, Carson Palmer, Alfred Morris. Sam Bradford, Alex Smith, Golden Tate, Miles Austin, Jake Locker. LaShawn McCoy, Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Justin Blackman, Stevie Johnson. Greg Little, Lamar Miller, Cordero Patterson, Reggie Wayne, Troy Polamalu. Jay Cutler, James Jones, Andre Ellington, Hakeem Nicks, AJ Green. Big Ben, Julio Jones. I think this is our 6th hit of the box for the Broncos. Rookie auto, Tavares King. Broncos going to Jeff. Congratulations. Terrell Pryor, Phillip Rivers. Darrell Revis, Ray Rice. Arian Foster, Tom Brady, Larry Fitzgerald. T.Y. Hilton, Calvin Johnson, Eddie Lacy, Drew Brees, DeMarco Murray. Eric Decker, Chris Givens, Jerry Rice, Kenny Britt, and Maurice Jones-Drew. Dwayne Bowe, Marshawn Lynch, Eddie Lace, or Jonathan Franklin, Quentin Patton, CJ Spiller, Stephen Ridley, and the Kid Reporter. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. Back at it tomorrow with some 2012 Absolute Memorabilia. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.